Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Gusto payroll reminders for smoother month. Start by logging into your Gusto account. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Payroll tab on the left side of the screen. Click on the Payroll tab to access payroll settings. In the Payroll section, find and select Settings. Scroll down to the Reminders section. Here, you'll see options for setting up payroll reminders. Click on the button labeled Add Reminder. Choose the frequency of your reminders from the drop-down menu. You can select weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly options. Next, specify the exact day and time you want the reminder. Type in a short description of what the reminder is for. Make sure to include relevant details, like deadlines for submissions or approvals. If applicable, select any additional recipients for the reminders. These could be team members or managers who need to be notified as well. Once you've filled out all the fields, click Save. Review your details to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, your reminders will be set up successfully. You can return to the Reminders section at any time to edit or delete reminders. This setup will help streamline your payroll process each month. With reminders in place, you'll reduce the chances of missing important deadlines. Take a moment to ensure your notifications are enabled on your device. This will keep you informed whenever a reminder is triggered. By following these steps, you'll make payroll a much smoother routine. Now you can manage your payroll effectively without the last-minute rush. That's it. You've successfully set up Gusto payroll reminders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.